Hi, in this video, I will demonstrate how to construct a categorical frequency distribution. We begin with the following problem. We're presented with data, various flower types, and we have to construct a categorical frequency distribution. Step one in the process is we have to build 4 columns with the 4 following headings: category, tally, frequency, percentage. The second step is we write down all the different flower types under category. Or if you have another type of example, whatever your different categories are, you list them out under this first column. Here we have 6 different categories. To tally the data, we place a tally mark in the appropriate category as we count off each data value. So for example, the first data value is hummingbird sage. We would then place a tally mark for hummingbird sage, and then we just repeat the process for all the other data values until we account for each of them in the table. After we find all the tallies of the data values, we then add up the tally marks to find the frequencies. For California poppy, there are 8 tally marks, thus the frequency is 8. California wild rose, there are 14 tally marks, thus the frequency is 14. Chaparral mallow, 5. Hummingbird sage, 9. Pacific coast iris, 4. Western columbine, 10. And remember, once again, the tally marks come from the original data set. As we count off each data value, we place a mark. Then we find the total of each of the tally marks per category to determine the frequencies. The final step is to calculate the percentages using the formula represented here. P is the frequency of a particular category divided by N. N is the sum of all the frequencies times 100%. Now, if we add up all the frequencies, N is 50. To calculate the first percentage, we take the frequency 8 divided by 50 times 100%. 8 divided by 50 is 0.16. 0.16 times 100 is 16%. And we repeat that process for all the other percentages. And you can hit pause and look at the calculations that I've displayed here. The final step is to list the percentages. So California poppy, 16%. California wild rose, 28%. Chaparral mallow, 10%. Hummingbird sage, 18%. Pacific coast iris, 8%. Western columbine, 20%. And once these 4 columns are completed, you have finished building the categorical frequency distribution. Thanks for watching this video.